Hello guys, sessions for web scanning, try hack me room, which is the part of Red Primer series, and let's get started. So let's first connect to the Open VPN. So let's type sudo OpenVPN downloads and your file, and let's check if it's complete or not, and initialization sequence complete, and let's get started. So let me deploy the room, and now the room is deployed. So you can just tick mark this one, and okay. So this is our questions which we need to do. So which command do we set the target host in Nikto is -h. So they're asking about our Nikto, so Nikto -h, and these are the commands, and I'm just going to wait for a little while till the time this page loads. So depending on websites don't always properly redirect to the secure transfer ports, and sometimes we have different issues depending on the manner which they are scanned. So they don't want security, so let's do no SSL, and I can paste it here, and for security it's -SSL, it's -P for a specific port to scan. And how do you verify the database is working and free from errors? You can see it DB check. So let me just copy this, paste it here. Okay, so which switch and numerical value do you use the sector to enumerate usernames? Okay, so Nikto small h is like a quick help, Nikto capital H will be like a bigger help. So you can check that if you go to mutate and enumerate passwords via Apache. So this is the answer, and I think it's 3 for enumerate usernames via Apache. Oops. Okay, this will work, and that's right, as we know the username and this. Okay, so now we know the username, so let's do this one where it's -id plus, it's -id, and then it's username colon password, so it's -id, then it's username admin colon, and let me copy this and paste it here, and that's the right answer. So I hope this has loaded. Yep, it's working. So let me start with the Nikto scan, and so for the Nikto scan I'm going to type Nikto -h and the host. This is the host. Let me paste the host and press enter, and it has started. So at the time Nikto loads the answers, because it will take some time. So we'll complete the rest of these questions. Okay, so let's scan our machine. So it's currently scanning, and what web server do you discover and what version it is? It's Apache 2.4.7, that is the web server, and that's right. And if box is vulnerable to very poor directory control due to its web server, what directory is indexed? That really should be. Okay, so it's loading right now, then after it will load the answer will come. So let's do this one then. Nikto scans can take a while to complete. Yep, that's true. Which switch do we set in order to limit the scan at the end of certain time? Is -until. How do we list all the plugins? and there is this command list plugins. And just copy this, paste it here. Okay, now which switch in Nikto instructs plugin check to find out data is outdated or not. Okay, out of date. Okay, so let me open a new window, Nikto, and I'm just going to paste list plugins, and these are all the plugins. So there are many plugins over here, and this plugin outdated is surely to check for outdated stuff. So it will be Nikto plugin and outdated. So this one, and then the outdated. Where's outdated? Here. And let me submit this. Finally, what if a plugin like to run a series of standard commands? So just this plugins. Let me just type it, dash plugins and test. So now you might be asking me, where did I get that test from? So test is over here. It's just the standard Nikto tests. Okay, so we are left with this question, and let's see if the Nikto scan is done. Okay, it's still working. Let's see if we find something. Says some things about that server, such as this thing seems to be outdated, and it's trying for different vulnerabilities and all, and it's kind of showing me whatever it's doing. So till that time Nikto is loading, I'll just give you this answer. It's loading actually. So yeah, till the time this is loading, let's open zipzap, and let's get started. So firstly you need to type zap proxy in the command, or you can just even do it from search bar. You can just search for zipzap, OWASP zap. Yeah, so this will open, and just let me wait to here. Okay, so the zap is running, and just to start, so the first question is launch zap. Which option do we set in order to specify what are we attacking? So we do something known as URL to attack. So it's URL to attack. Then now Nikto and Zap offer different perspectives on a host, and it's really nice, good. And Zap is actually used when the noise doesn't matter, like when the other person knows that you are doing a security testing. And Zap will discover a file that typically contains web pages and all. So what is the name of this file? Okay, so Zap is currently, let me start the attack, and this is the IP I want to attack, and let's start the attack. So the attack is currently going on, and you can see something known as robot.txt, which is like not supposed, like we are not actually supposed to be looking at it. This is the robot.txt. So the answer is robot, robots dot txt. Okay guys, so that, let's complete this one only. So for this one, ninth question, that what directory is indexed that really should not be. If we'll see over here, there is something like this thing, /config. Configuration information may be available remotely, and this should not have been available. So I guess this is the answer. Let's copy this, and yep, we are done with the first Nikto part. And let's even finish the Zap part since we have started it. Our data, so we have find out the robot.txt right now, and which is the disallowed section. You can see disallow /. So this is the answer. Now Zap will find a directory that contain images. What is the path for that thing? So for this, if we'll go to Spider, you can see dvwa images /login, and there are like two images, and both of them are under this folder. After the IP address of a host machine, I see these two lines, these two words, dvwa/images. So it's /dvwa/images, and yep, that's it. Now this website doesn't force a secure connection by default, and Zap isn't pleased with it. With which related cookie is Zap upset about? So if you go to alerts, then you'll see cookie no HTTP flag only. So you can see more information about this cookie. That means cookie can be accessed via JavaScript, and thus this is like unsafe, and it is not happy about it. So which cookie, the cookie name is HTTP only. So for even Nikto guys, if you might have been wondering that I am seeing so much verbose output, and mostly you just get a small output, so that's fine. You like see your output only till here, and even though you're typing the same command, so that's okay. So this one is the Zap which is running. Okay, let's get back to it. Now features in various rooms on TryHackMe, like site is vulnerable to XSS, and which is that warning. So again in alerts, you'll see this one, web browser XSS protection not enabled. So this is the warning which we can use, and yep, that is it. The Zap proxy Spider represents the component responsibility for crawling the site. What site is found out to be out of scope? Okay, so we'll go to Spider. You'll see everything is green, but one is red. So that is, you can even see in the flag that it is out of scope. So this is that site which is out of scope. So I can't like copy it maybe. Yeah. So answer is the format of HTTP. Okay. So yep, this is out of scope. You can clearly see out of scope. Zap will use primarily two methods in order to scan a website. Which of these two HTTP request content? Okay, so to request content you need get, and to put content you need post. It's simple. That if you want content, you will get that content. If you want to submit something, it's post. And yep, we have completed a room. And if you have some doubts, you can ask in the section that if I didn't explain it, because I really went really quick. I guess you might be having in this config doubt, so that config you can see that you can in Nectoscan you will see that configuration information may be available remotely. So this is where I'm getting that config from. So I guess this helped you, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.